You catch a glimpse of yourself in a shop window and realize the man looking back looks a lot more tired than you actually feel. Those deep lines on your forehead and the heavy bags under your eyes seem to have appeared out of nowhere. Most guys just ignore it until the damage is done. We tend to think soap and water are enough. But the reality is that male skin is a different beast entirely. It is thicker than female skin. It produces more oil. It has larger pores that catch more grit and grime. You cannot just use a generic lotion and expect it to handle the rugged nature of a man's face. That is where the particle face cream enters the conversation. This is a 6-in-1 formula, built specifically for the way we age. It does not just sit on the surface. It targets the dark spots that come from years in the sun. It fights the wrinkles that start to settle in during your 30s and 40s. It even goes after those stubborn eye bags that make you look like you stayed up all night. The science behind it is focused on advanced dermatological research. They are not just throwing random ingredients into a jar. They are looking at how to repair and protect the skin barrier. The texture is a huge plus for anyone who hates the feeling of heavy products. It feels light and absorbs quickly. You will not look like you smeared grease on your face before a meeting. It also skips the heavy floral scents found in the perfume aisle. It is functional and straightforward. You put it on and you forget about it. The brand has built up a massive reputation online. Over 5,000 reviews on Trustpilot give it a 4.5 out of 5 rating. That is a lot of guys who are seeing actual results in the mirror. Even the website's security scores are perfect. You do not have to worry about getting scammed when you place an order. If you are worried about the cost, there is a way to make it much more affordable. Grabbing a 3-pack brings the price down to about $49 per jar. That is a solid deal for a product that replaces 6 different bottles. The real peace of mind comes from the 30-day money-back guarantee. You can test it out for a full month. If your skin does not look better, you get your money back. It is a risk-free way to upgrade your routine. Of course, everyone has a unique skin type. If you have very sensitive skin, check with a professional first. But for the vast majority of men, this is a shortcut to looking refreshed. It cleans up the rough patches and smooths out the edges. It is about simple maintenance for the modern man. You deserve to look as sharp as you feel inside. Taking care of your face is not about vanity. It is about keeping your skin healthy and resilient for the long haul. This all-in-one approach might be the exact tool you need to fix that morning reflection once and for all. It is fast, it is effective, and it actually respects the science of being a man.